This is a 2000 Gevrey-Chambertin Premier Cru. It's from Roche de Blaine. It's their negociant arm, so they purchased the fruit, or more likely with this, they probably purchased the wine and then raised the wine and then bottled it. I don't know actually if it was fruit or wine in this case. It's super interesting. You know the vineyard, they tell you the vineyard that it's grown in, so you have an idea of its pedigree. And Gevrey-Chambertin, maybe the most prestigious Pinot Noir village in the world. And so naturally this isn't cheap. I believe it's somewhere around $100. So yeah, it's not the wine that you just that you would drink on maybe a Tuesday afternoon, but if you're looking for a special bottle, this is special. And it's amazing that we can get a wine this old at Premier Cru level Gevrey-Chambertin. In fact, for that cheap. You get current release Premier Cru Gevrey-Chambertin for twice that, or at least 160, 170, 180 in that range. I was amazed at how inexpensive this was, and I purchased it directly from the importer, and I thought, wow, I really got the inside deal. And then I looked on store shelves, and there it was sitting there, so I found I didn't get the inside deal, but it doesn't matter. It's a tremendous deal, and it is on the shelves right now as we speak.